So your recommendation is in today's world where we're living in instant gratification, it's very difficult for this generation to see the principles that have been kind of around, like, being patience and gratitude and all those things are not really being
Yeah.
forefront of their mind. So the solution that you're saying is more around, well, let them get to a painful state first. Once they're in pain, then they'll be more willing to change and they'll be more willing to try a different strategy. Is that around the same?
That is that 50% is true, but there is also proactive strategy. For example, for parenting program we do.
Okay.
The same has happened for my grandson also. That guy was very much addicted to scuba and game and all those things. Then we were observing what actually is in which area he is competent, which he is spending more time. Then he was spending more time on rifle shooting.
Uh-huh.
Then my daughter, what she did is she took him to that area sports where he has going regularly for the rifle shooting. Now rifle shooting has become a hobby.
Got
So
it.
kindly see, now you cannot do anything. See, the water is flowing. What you have to do? You have to make a boat out of that. You cannot fight against the water, isn't it?
Right,
That
right,
is
exactly.
okay. The same way now you identify. Okay, you have no option. If you stop purchasing the toy for him, he will go somewhere else get the toy.
Yep.
So convert his weakness into a strength and convert it into a hobby.
That's
So
amazing.
that way only you can make it because already see these people are my feeling is they are born to rule the galaxy. They are not meant for you people to do like you and me. They will do something different.
Yeah.
So we have to convert that into even Atal Bihari Vajpayee University, the training now. That is what we teach for some of the young
Say it
parents.
again. What kind of training?
Training.
Um,
Mother's
Womb. Got it.
WOM training, where here we identify the talent of the baby, okay, and groom them. See, anyhow you are going to purchase the toys. Anyhow, you are going to take them to the park. Anyhow, you are going to the entertainment. But now, once you know he is having an inborn talent, now your tools will be toward that. Your games will be
Right.
toward that.
That makes a lot of sense. Yes, yes.
So what happens? So that is what we do in parenting. For young parents, my target is young couples, 0 to 5 years. But pre-counseling bhi aata hai, they also become parents. When they come with a problem, this is where we focus. Now convert is no time in blaming the education system. Education system is there everywhere like that. Okay, as a mass production. So you have to convert the talent of the kid into a skill. What is a skill? Skill is something by which you can make money or by which you can give service.
Right, right. Of course. I mean, it's your value to the marketplace, right? It's what you provide, not what your
You
parents
provide.
gave you.
Yeah.
I mean, ultimately, right? Like, this is a wonderful, sentiment. I think Dr. Sundaram. I think this has been very, very insightful for us, and I think we are seeing that ultimately relationships require work. You have to be intentional about it. It's not an automatic system. You have to take time to spend it with your wife without the gadgets, and make sure that you have communication about what each of you are going through, at least every week or whatever it is, and stay in sync with each other. I think that
Right.
really seems to be the best strategy. And then for us, you recommended, since we are a couple that is married as well as doing business, that we focus on what our strengths are and outsource what our weaknesses are, so that way we are not at each other's throat about our weaknesses, right? We are more focusing on each other's strength and then spreading our love personally in that way. So I want to thank you for giving us the
And one
time.
more, one more point before that. Once you
Please.
become a parent, it's your responsibility to spend some time with the child.
Yes.
Okay. I coach my grandson. I give him a lot of books. I have to make a summary. He's already talking about the book summary. Because what happens is, not that he's going to become an expert. These are seeds I am sowing in his mind.
Right.
He's putting in small videos. And my mission is to empower 1 million young couples so that they become very productive part of society. Because I told you 0 to 5 years is the period where the lot of misunderstanding, morning marriage, evening divorce is going on. My target is only that
Well,
because of only simple misunderstanding.
yeah.
And my message would be edit your thoughts and rewrite your life story. Just edit your
Beautiful.
that's
thoughts.
so good.
Yeah,
That's so
That's
beautiful.
all.
Thank you
That's
so much. I think I'm so inspired and very grateful for just insight that you have shared. And I'm thinking to myself, we should create Husband Day.
Sure.
Or
Yeah.
do anything that you want on that day.
I think I get spoiled by my wife, so I
You
don't
know,
know.
husband. Husband day is already there enjoying it. Wife day is only
Well, I feel grateful for my husband. I want to do husband day.
Oh, thank
What
you,
is
honey.
that?
Appreciate it. Yeah.
spouse day.
Dr. Saab, thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for
much.
this
Thank you so
time.
much.
It's been fascinating, and you're right. We are all actually in the couple range between 0 and 5 years, so we want to really be intentional about our marriage. I think especially because she's also not Indian, so there is always that like idea of you should be marrying in your culture, and obviously I didn't do that because I fell in love with her instead, and that's how it
We are
was.
love marriage.
Yeah, so and a business marriage, I suppose, in that sense.
I guess. Very calculated.
No. But I mean, I saw in you what I lacked, and I think that was kind of how I looked at it. Like I saw that there were certain skills that she had, which I didn't have, which I thought would be very complementary to us. And I think both of us have been intentional about our own personal development for the most part, which has helped us to get to at least this point. But like you said, this is a journey. It doesn't stop now. It's going to continually go this way. So we have to keep, an eye on this and make sure that we're not overlooking things and assuming too many things about each other and really communicating. So again, I want to thank you so much for spending this time with me. I know it's late there for you. Before we go, though, I just want to have you kind of talk about if people want to get in touch with you, what's the best way? How do you recommend they, do it if they're a couple? Should they just go to your website or should they just send you an email? Let us know what we think we should tell people.
Website is there. I'm on social media, and most of my clients are from Indians or from Silicon Valley, Arizona.
How do they find out about you?
No, I have 700 YouTube videos. I'm in the field for the last 20 years. So those people who are engineering students now they have become couple and they are working
I
there.
see.
Got it. So you have people that have known you from those days that are also now coming to you. That's fantastic, Doctor. I appreciate this again. And hopefully the listeners here will get something really valuable out of this. And we look forward to talking to you again in the future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I enjoyed talking to both of you. Thank
We
you.
did as well.
Thanks
Thank
a lot.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Namaste.
you.